Hello friends, in this video we will look at how to remove the stop words in natural language processing. But before we do that, we have to understand what are stop words. Stop words are those words of English language which do not contribute largely to the meaning of a sentence. For example, if you have words like then, this, is, and various articles. So all these words, they do not contribute to the meaning of the sentence. They are grammatical parts of the particular sentence. So we are mainly interested in the keywords of the sentence, and therefore we want to remove these words. So in order to perform this in Python, first we have to import the NLTK package. And in the NLTK package, we have to download the stop words. So you will see a message like this. You should be connected to the internet to download the stop words, otherwise it will give an error message that the internet is not available. Once the stop words have been downloaded, true will be displayed on the screen. Then we have to import the string class because we will be using that class in this particular operation. Then we have to perform nltk.corpus. This was the downloading step. Now we have to bring that stop words into our particular program. So what we will do is we will use the nltk.corpus, and from there we are going to import the stop words. So now we are printing those stop words using this command stopwords.words English. And as we can see here, we are going to get a list of all the stop words in English like I, me, my, myself, we, our. So if we find the length of the X object, we can see 179 stop words have been defined in the English language. Then what we are doing is we are going to now test how to remove the stop words from our custom sentence. So we are using a test sentence. This is a trial text. I want to see what all words will get removed. And then we perform the split operation on this test to get individual words, and we store them into while. And then we are going to create a cleaned array, and what we will do is we will save a word into the cleaned array provided the word is in the Y, that is the split text, and then the condition is that the word dot lower, so we are converting the word into the lowercase, should not be in the list of stop words. So this is the condition which will be used for all the words which are present in the split text that we have created. And then those words will be placed into the clean class, and here we are writing this name, so this will be given as output. So we can see here, out of this text, trial is included, text is included, then want, see, words, and then get and removed is maintained, but remaining all the words have been dropped by the Python environment. So this way we can perform the stop word removal in the natural language processing applications. I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you very much.